Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have a sneaker unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead, grab the box, and get right into it. All right, so we got no time to waste. I don't know if you guys see those, but we got some huge we got quick unboxing video right here, and then right after I will be filming a haul video for my clothing brand. This was the last thing that I unboxed back in like April time. We got some stuff to get into back there. So I was out of town again this past week, and I caught these when I was out of town earlier this week. No, last week. I think it was last week. My days are so messed up because I've been down there for like a month now, and I'm still down there again for the next few weeks. So I'm only home on the weekends, so it's kind of hard to fit in videos like that. But anyway, go ahead. Got the box right here. I'm not gonna really do a review on these either, just gonna quickly show them, get out of here in like 2-3 minutes. But Jordan 5 boxes, you guys can see, size 10. These are the alternate Grape Jordan 5s. The official colorway is Grape, Ice, New Emerald, and Black. So you guys can see the tag right there. Go ahead, crack them open. I already saw these in person when I was at the mall with the weekend they released. But none of my stores really got them. I saw them at a resale store. But here they are, the alternate Grape Jordan 5s. Just go ahead, take the other shoe out of the box. Toss the box over there. Switch them around, and here they are. These are pretty clean. I saw pairs, they're like size like 13, but I think size 13 is a little big for Jordan 5s. Obviously, they're huge, but this is size 10. So on a size 10, these definitely look a lot better in hand than a size 13 did. But so just all grapes, like nubuck suede on the upper with new emerald hits. I believe the tongue is 3M and black, stuff like that. Nothing really too crazy going on with these. Definitely a pretty cool colorway. I was thinking like all purple Jordan 5. That's a little out there. I just like the all white uppers on the Jordan 5s, like the fire reds, but these are clean. Obviously not for me. These are size 10. These are for sale. They're pending sold right now. Not really sure what's going on with that. But anyway, Jordan 5s. Hope you guys all enjoy. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, FIZZ Kicks, clothing brand FIZZ New York. And I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace.